Hello friends, this is Dharanz. Welcome to my channel once again, Code with Dharanz part 1. In this video, we're gonna see what is MVC, what is MVC's architecture, what are the design patterns that MVC uses. Let's get started. MVC simply stands for Model View Controller. It designed by Microsoft .NET framework in 1970s. It's mostly used to develop web applications. There are lots of design patterns which replicates MVC is Ruby on Rails, Express.js and all. Model View Controller is an abbreviation of MVC, but it's supposed to be stand for View Controller Model. I'll say you later why I am changing the abbreviation like this. View is simply as a presentation layer which user can see. Controller is used to handling HTTP requests which is come from view. Model is simply defined properties which has interaction between controller and view. MVC's architecture: view is HTML markup language we used to write in .chhtml and .bbhtml files. This is the only layer which user can interact with an application. Next, controller, handling HTTP requests and having business logics. Each and every controller will have a view. View contain only one controller, but controller may have more than one view. View is also has many types. I'll say you in later videos. Then model. Model is used as application data properties which contains entity model and interact between controller and view. You might have some questions. Hey Dharanz, you are saying each and every view will have an interaction with a controller. How does the view know which controller it has to be interacted with, which controller method it has to be performed with? The simple answer is router. MVC created a router. Is the only job is to redirect the view to the corresponding controller. It interacts with the controller itself. This is finally architecture of MVC, View Controller Model Router. Now you could clarify why I am saying. First, view is a presentation layer. User will enter into the application via designing page. Then controller will get all HTTP requests from the view by using model, and this model will have help with router, and view and router will integrate and interact between each other to approach controller. These are all a basic pattern of MVC, basic architecture of MVC in 3 minutes. Thank you. Next video, I gonna show you how to implement project in MVC, how to boilerplate project in Visual Studio 2017. I also uploaded a Tamil version of this video in description. Go and check it out. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, just do comment me. Do share my video.